If a is divisible by 2, b is divisible by 5, and a over b is 7 over 9, where a and b are both positive numbers, and a plus b is less than 400. What is one possible value of a plus b? So first of all, if we want to know the value of a plus b, we want to know what is a and what is b. And it says a is divisible by 2 and b is divisible by 5. Now if we look at this, there are a lot of different possible values. Because a divisible by 2, it can be 2, 4, 6, 8, and we'll keep on going. And as well as here, b, there are a lot of different numbers because there can be 5, 10, 15, 20, and there are a lot of different numbers. But then it says a over b is equal to 7 over 9. So a and b are positive numbers. So first of all, we want to solve this. First of all, we want to know the common denominator for both 2 and 5. So the common denominator for 2 and 5, if we want to know that, we do the LCM. And as you can see here, 2 and 5 are both, they're both not together. So that means they're both not common. So we just write 1, and now we times them. Directly, we just times them. So 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 5 is 10. So we solved it. The common denominator is 10. Now a over b is 7 over 9. Now we want to try doing it by putting 7 times 10 and 9 times 10 because they're both common. So you can put 10 here. So 7 times 10 gives us 70, 9 times 10 gives us 90. So that is one possible value. Now it says a plus b, so we know that this is a, and this is b. So if we add them together, to 70 plus 90, it will give us 160. So that is one possible value. Now let's try another common denominator. We can do 20. So let's try doing 20 for the common denominator, because for 20, 20 divided by 2 is possible, and 20 divided by 5 is also possible. So 20 is a common denominator for both of them. So now again we try. The 7 over 9 times, this time we do 20. So 20 times 7 will give us 140. Now 9 times 20 will give us 180. So again, this is A and this is B, and we want to add them together. So 140 plus 180, it will give us 320. So again, it is a possible value because it says less than 400. So A plus B must be less than 400. And 160 is less than 400, as well as 320. Now, let's see if we can keep on going on. So this time, let's try 30. Now, 30 can be divisible by 2 because it's an even number. And again, it can be divisible by 5. 5 times 6 is 30. So this time, we do the same thing again, but this time we're multiplying 30. Now 7 times 30 gives us 210. 9 times 3 gives us 2700. So now we know that 210, we know again this is A and this is B, and we want to try adding them together. So 210 plus 270, we add them together, it will give us 480. Now, is 480 less than 400? No, it's not. So it is not a possible value. The only positive value for A plus B is 160, and 320.